Welcome. Today we're going to explore how to disable light mode on the Messenger app for PC. If you've been enjoying the bright interface but are ready for a change, switching to dark mode can help reduce eye strain and create a more soothing chatting experience. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, open your Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the settings. Once you have the app open, look for your profile photo in the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile picture will give you access to various options and settings. Next, go ahead and click on your profile photo. This action will bring up a menu where you can customize your Messenger experience. Now look for the option that says Preferences. Clicking on this will lead you to more settings related to how your Messenger works. Once you're in the Preferences section, keep an eye out for the dark mode settings. You'll see an option labeled Dark Mode, which is where you can toggle between light and dark themes. To disable light mode, simply check the option that says On under dark mode. This will switch your Messenger interface to a darker theme, giving your chats a fresh and stylish new look. And just like that, you've successfully enabled dark mode on your Messenger app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Enjoy your new dark chatting experience.